easy on this. He almost knocked down his freaking mailbox. That one looks good.
Oh, the parts fall off. DC5 ever. Look at those old Honda Civics. Holy shit. Oh. Hey! Hell yeah.
Like to get the RT stuff off.
Okay.
So like he lives down the road a little ways. It's like we can look up under there and see if it's gonna be a pain or not. And if it is, we'll take it to his house.
I got a
lift.
Oh,
And then we
okay.
can just
easier to
take everything off.
Alright,
That would
heck
make
yeah.
stuff a little easier.
Yeah, it would. That'd be awesome.
No, that's fine. I've got some dogs. Let me put them up real quick because if they see them, they'll freak out.
Okay.
They're in the fence. I got a fence in there, and then you can leave her in the fence if you want.
Oh, I got a leash for him, but thank you.
We are here. So we're in Kentucky. I've come to pick up some RT four-wheel drive stuff off of a Wago van, and we are at, what's it called? EF Warehouse here in Kentucky. That is awesome. Look at these old Honda Civics. I ain't seen nothing like this. This is a paradise. Ugh. I don't even know enough about these to be gawking over them. Alright, we're gonna get the dog out, walk it around, maybe put the Wago van up on the lift, and we'll go from there. What do you have going on here? Holy crap, dude.
It's all had some interior work done on this one. Custom seats made.
Jeez Louise, dude. That is amazing. Yeah, my girlfriend would like that.
And then I have another
Back
one
seats.
of these at his house, and that motor there is built for 500 horsepower. It's going to go in a first gen. It's a D16 with rods, pistons, headwork. This one right here.
Oh, this one?
Yep.
Holy crap.
All kinds of stuff done to it, so it's going to go in a first gen. We're just trying to make it fit. It already has a D series in it, but it's not made for a turbo, so.
Yeah, man, that's pretty awesome.
And then basically all upstairs is name ports. EF chassis stuff and some first gen stuff. And this is my neighbor's car. He lives over there. He's a camber gang kind of guy. So.
Yeah, old stance life.
His tires are too big for a car, so it don't even roll right now.
I like those wheels, man.
On the first gen,
Mm-hmm.
they have a really weird bolt pattern. This 4x120, it only fits that.
Really? Okay.
That and like Mazda RX-2 or something like that. Come around back. I didn't look at the CRX quarters real well. It has a Wings West medium body kit on it.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
I had to get the rockers off, but the quarters themselves are in really good shape. And it came from Georgia, I think. So. Yeah, I mean, I've got a bunch of CRXs. And most of them, like, if they're here, they're not fixable. Mostly. I had a guy from Indianapolis come and bought the RT setups out of both of these.
Snatched up both of them,
Just, I try not to part them out, but if they're too rusted gone, then I will. The blue one, the trailing arm's rusted out of the body. And the brown one, the motor had blown up and somebody had already took the dash out of it, so it wasn't really fixable anymore. This redman back here was an RT too. Yeah. This
Jeez.
one somebody hit a pole.
What?
It was a B swap.
Oh man. Hope they didn't have nobody with them.
No, it was just him. He survived, and actually he came and pulled the swap out. I told him just to give me the car so I could have what was left of it, you know. Sell the doors and stuff like that off of it. Window regulators and stuff. Just wagon stuff's hard to find, so. You can see it wasn't ever going to be on the road again. This was a race car, and somebody wrecked it racing and killed the front end of it. But it was a nice car at one time.
Yeah, yeah.
That big old spoiler on the back.
Yeah, it's pretty cool though.
There.
Pretty cool for the time,
Yeah.
for its time.
Bunch of 12 millimeters.
If you want, my thing's all small and your yeah, I'll pull it here. What the hell is this? Say they do it a little different in Kentucky, huh? Take this to Mudfest. Looks like a Mudfest car to me.
Only in Kentucky you see some dumb shit like that.
Any final words, Wago?
One mud flat.
I know, I've seen
Oh! Hi! Did arm back over there and kick back?
that. Whoa.
I just gotta move that form over there. Just go over and kick it further under the window.
Which one?
The one he's back.
Oh, yeah.
Almost had that incident, man.
I always say is like when I'm towing a car, it's like if there was one car that I would wish would fall off the trailer, it's Up, up, up.
Good?
Okay, let's move up again.
What all you get? Just
Everything.
really
Drive shaft.
hibiscus clutch.
Huh?
This hibiscus clutch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn. So this y'all got that. $30 to turn over.
That thing's not bad though.
It's crackers. Real crackers.
What did you try to give me for the camera car?
Yeah.
That's my race car project over there.
Yeah, I seen that.
That's a junk 5.3 I got from Wago.
Yeah.
I built a hot side over there. It's on that bench or that shelf, and I've got an S475. It'll be a 6-speed car. Maybe it'll go mid-9s. I'd be happy.
Just noticed the K. Is that a K24?
Yeah. That's actually that blue element at his house.
Yeah.
That came out of it.
Oh,
We
okay.
had to put in
That one actually ran. Want to buy an element? Go buy K-Series?
I might get that transmission off you if it was a 5-speed.
Oh, no, it's automatic. Oh, drivetrain?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just an engine.
I got one.
That was kick.
number 1.
This is the one that got to try that.
Look, it's top control on it.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Top camera on it. Have a hard time getting it to all the open.
It's in low. Is it pecker? Yep, there we go. Yeah. And then some 14s right here.
Yeah.
That's what how heavy is that business gun?
It's, I mean, it's not being too crazy. You should be able to hold it. It's not real heavy.
No.
Hey, hey.
Yep.
That's where the money's at. That's it, boys.
Heck yeah. It's crazy how rare this shit's getting, yeah.
That's why, I mean, around here, like I said, you can tell this car's done. Like, it's not nice enough. Even if somebody restored it, it wasn't nice enough
There you go.
to
We
fish.
only won't fit as these.
Okay.
That's